Aluminum wiring was used in many homes built in the 1960s and 1970s due to the high price of copper. Over time, problems with aluminum wiring connections became apparent, leading to concerns about fire hazards. Aluminum expands and contracts more than copper with temperature changes. This difference in thermal expansion can cause connections to loosen over time. Aluminum also oxidizes when exposed to air, and aluminum oxide is a poor conductor of electricity. This oxidation can increase resistance at connections, leading to overheating. One solution for addressing aluminum wiring issues is to rewire the entire house with copper. However, this can be a costly and disruptive undertaking. Another option is to use specialized connectors designed for joining aluminum and copper wires safely. One such connector is the Alumiconn connector. Alumiconn connectors are designed to provide a reliable and safe connection between aluminum and copper wires. They use a set screw design to create a secure mechanical connection. The connector body is typically made of aluminum, and the screws are made of a compatible metal to prevent corrosion. It is important to verify that any connector used for aluminum wiring repair is listed by a recognized testing laboratory, such as Underwriters Laboratories, commonly known as UL. UL listing indicates that the connector has been tested and meets specific safety standards. The Consumer Product Safety Commission, commonly known as CPSC, also provides guidance and recommendations on aluminum wiring safety. It is crucial to follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations when working with aluminum wiring. The National Electrical Code, commonly known as NEC, provides detailed requirements for electrical installations, including those involving aluminum wiring. When using Alumiconn connectors, it is essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Firstly, turn off the power to the circuit before starting any work. Secondly, clean the aluminum wires thoroughly to remove any oxidation. A wire brush and a suitable cleaning compound can be used for this purpose. Thirdly, apply an antioxidant paste to the aluminum wires to prevent further oxidation. Fourthly, insert the aluminum and copper wires into the Alumiconn connector, ensuring that they are fully seated. Fifthly, tighten the set screws to the specified torque using a torque screwdriver. This ensures a secure and reliable connection. Sixthly, wrap the connector with electrical tape to insulate it and protect it from moisture. Regular inspection of aluminum wiring connections is recommended to identify any signs of loosening or corrosion. If any problems are detected, the connection should be repaired or replaced immediately. Using the correct tools and techniques is crucial for ensuring a safe and effective repair. A torque screwdriver is essential for tightening the set screws to the proper torque. Using the wrong torque can result in a loose connection or damage to the connector. Alternative methods for addressing aluminum wiring issues include the Copalum crimp connector system. The Copalum system involves crimping a copper sleeve onto the aluminum wire using a specialized tool. This creates a permanent and reliable connection. However, the Copalum system is typically more expensive than using Alumiconn connectors. The choice between Alumiconn connectors and the Copalum system depends on various factors, including cost, the extent of the wiring problem, and the homeowner's preferences. A qualified electrician can assess the situation and recommend the most appropriate solution. It is important to consider the long-term costs and benefits of each option. While Alumiconn connectors may be less expensive upfront, the Copalum system may provide a more permanent and reliable solution. When working with electrical wiring, safety should always be the top priority. If unsure about any aspect of the repair process, it is best to consult a qualified electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to prevent electrical shock or fire. Always use insulated tools and wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Double-check all connections to ensure they are secure and properly insulated. The NEC provides specific requirements for the installation and repair of aluminum wiring. These requirements are designed to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems. It is important to be familiar with these requirements before starting any electrical work. The NEC is updated regularly to reflect changes in technology and best practices. Local building codes may also have additional requirements for aluminum wiring installations. Aluminum wiring connections should be inspected periodically, especially in older homes. Signs of a problem include loose connections, discoloration of the wires, and a burning smell. If any of these signs are present, the connections should be inspected and repaired by a qualified electrician. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to serious electrical hazards. The use of Alumiconn connectors can be a cost-effective solution for addressing aluminum wiring issues. However, it is important to use them correctly and to follow all applicable safety guidelines. Regular inspection and maintenance are essential for ensuring the long-term safety and reliability of aluminum wiring connections. Always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about aluminum wiring in your home. Remember to de-energize the circuit before commencing any work.